Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to upload music to Instagram. So let's get started. So if you want to upload a music to your Instagram account, then what you can do is just simply open up your Instagram. After opening up your Instagram, now what you can do is just simply upload your music first. So first what you have to do is just post your music. So what you can do is just tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle. And after tapping on that plus icon, now you should find a audio from your file, audio or a video. After doing that, now what you can do is just simply tap on next, which is on the top right. And after selecting that video, now what you can do is just simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right. And then tap on OK. And then tap on share, which is on the bottom. And then post this audio in your account. So after posting this audio, now you can use it. So if you just tap on your profile icon, and after tapping on your profile icon, let the audio post. So just wait for a few minutes and then let it post. After the upload is finished and after uploading your video or audio to Instagram, now what you can do is just simply select the video that you have just uploaded in your account. So this is the song that I have just uploaded. So now what I can do is just simply use the audio of this song. So just select it. And after selecting it, now in the bottom right corner you will find a profile icon. Just tap on it. So below the three dotted icon you will find a profile icon. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can find this audio. You can play it and check the audio, and you can just tap on use audio. After tapping on use audio, now you can use this audio in your account. So what you can do is just simply select this reel option, and now you can use this audio in your reel. So that's it guys, this is how to upload music to Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.